say.
Hi, Campaholic fans! Okay, so for lunch today, me and my fabulous sister-in-law, we're going to do pizzas on the grill. So we just bought the ready-made crust. Isn't that what they were? Mm-hmm. Thin ones from Walmart. Oh, what's that? There's that package right there. That's what we got. We got Mama Mary's. Ooh. And just some jarred pizza sauce. And some pepperoni we're getting ready to throw on there. We got the grill started. Waiting for the charcoal to heat up. And we're going to try this for the first time. For me, anyway. I think it's supposed to only take like maybe 10 minutes. So we're going to give it a whirl. We're going to let you know how it goes. I'm Missy.
I'm Mike.
And we're the Campaholics. Okay, getting ready to dump the charcoal so we can do a wood pizza, wood-fired pizza.
We use wood charcoal.
Yes.
Wood lump charcoal.
Let that burn off a little bit. And then we're going to throw these pizzas on here. Hopefully we can fit 2 on there. We'll figure that out in a minute.
And it looks perfect. Wood fire pizza on the stone, and it was about 375 degrees for about 16, 17 minutes.
Oh, was it that long?
Yep. So here we go. How did it do?
Oh! We gotta let it sit. Oh, sugars. Oh, sugars. Woo.
There we go. You got her?
Let me see. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Oh, just perfect-amundo. We gotta let that bad boy sit over there because all the cheese will be coming off of it. Now the question will be, how long will it take that stone to cool down before we can take it off?
Can't wait till the fire gets done.
Yeah.
You want some pizza? Do you want some pizza too? You do? Okay, you can have some pizza.
That looks good, boy. It's gonna have to cool down. Cause that cheese is.
You know what might help that too if you do these, Missy? Getting the little bit thicker crust instead of the thin crust.
Yes. I think you might be right. Yeah. Okay, we're getting ready to let it cool, and then we'll let you know. TT, that's my name. Trailer Trash.
So I was doing the same thing to a pizza, waving it, trying to cool it with a plate one time, sitting in the coldest pizza in Rehoboth Beach. And I had a white shirt on, and on a backswing, I hit the pizza and splattered all over my white shirt. And it burned my chest too. It was hot.
How long ago was that?
1985? Yeah, 1985.
Teresa, were you born?
Yeah.
Just checking.
That's when I was a chick magnet.
Man. Yeah.
Chick
He
magnet.
was a chick magnet.
I'm still in.
Oh.
Yeah.
You get trailer trash chicks, man.
Yeah.
You just
Round the
pick up
outside.
trailer-
Round the outside.
Just pick up trailer trash now.
Do that. Do not do that.
Round the outside.
You better quit. Ooh. Enough to crusty. Oh, let me see. Oh, so we could have stopped at like 14 minutes.
This one ain't bad, man.
Oh, that's good. It's very good. I like it a lot.
Very good.
Mackin. Thank you. Hunter, is it hot? Look at my phone.
Oh yeah. That's much better.
If thicker crust, we could probably keep it a little longer to melt the cheese a little more. Yeah. They had those bobolies,
Yeah.
or whatever they